Hey y'all, it is me, Xureila, and I am back with another wig review video. So today's wig is from XrsBeauty Hair, and this wig is so beautiful. It looks so natural. This is a 18-inch, 180% density wig, and it has a new clear, natural looking lace to it. I'm going to show y'all the comparison to all the different laces. So this first lace is a brown, regular brown lace, and as you can see, it's darker than my skin tone. This second lace is the regular transparent lace, and this one is lighter than my skin tone. And now this new lace, this new clear lace, it just look clear. Like, watch. Look how clear it look. Like, you can't even see it. Look at this, and look at it compared to the other types of laces. Okay, let me show you. Do you see how clear it looks? Like, it looks like scalp. Okay, so this is so cute. I love it. It looks so natural, and it's a pre-plucked wig. It's just already ready for install. Look how clear it is. Now watch when I do that. Yes. Yes, look at that. You cannot see it. Like, what lace. I love it. But anyways, everything about this hair will be linked down below if you want to check it out. I recommend that you do, because this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. I loved how I styled it into a side part, and it just looks so natural. I didn't have to do no plucking or nothing, and I just love it. It's just so easy to install, and I just love it. So yeah, everything about it will be linked down below. Go and check out XrsBeauty Hair.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew, then you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow. Show. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Everybody's smoking, boy, it's getting late but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job, tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both.